If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen game, today's review is going to excite you. We're diving into the NutriChef 3pc Cast Iron Skillets, pre-seasoned cast iron cookware with drip spout and silicone handles, designed for all cooktops. Whether you cook on gas, induction, electric, or glass ceramic, this versatile cast iron skillet set promises professional-level results at home. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now, let's talk about why cast iron cookware continues to dominate modern kitchens. A high-quality cast iron skillet set delivers unmatched heat retention, even cooking, and durability that can last for generations. But what makes the NutriChef 3-piece set stand out from the rest? First, these skillets come pre-seasoned right out of the box. That means you don't have to go through the tedious seasoning process before your first meal. The pre-seasoned surface helps prevent rust while also creating a natural non-stick cooking experience. Whether you're searing steak, frying chicken, or sautéing vegetables, food releases easily without drowning everything in oil or butter. Another major highlight is the non-stick coated surface layer. Unlike traditional cast iron that requires constant maintenance, these pans are designed for easier food release. You get that signature cast iron flavor and heat retention, but with less sticking and less cleanup time. And let's talk heat performance. These skillets are heat-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for high-heat searing, oven baking, or even finishing dishes under the broiler. The heavy-duty cast iron construction distributes heat evenly across the entire cooking surface, eliminating hot spots and giving you consistent results every time. You're also getting 3 different sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, so you're covered for everything from quick breakfast eggs to large family dinners. That versatility alone makes this set incredibly practical. One feature I personally love: the integrated side drip spouts. These make it super easy to drain excess oil or fat without making a mess. If you've ever struggled trying to pour grease from a skillet, you'll appreciate this thoughtful design. And safety hasn't been overlooked either. The removable Cool Touch silicone handles provide a more secure and comfortable grip while cooking. Cast iron gets hot, really hot, so having added protection gives you peace of mind. Let's quickly break down the key features. Pre-seasoned cast iron surface to prevent rust and reduce sticking. Non-stick coated layer for easy food release. Heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for high-temperature cooking. 3 versatile sizes: 8-inch, 10, and 12 skillets. Integrated side drip spouts for mess-free pouring. Heavy-duty cast iron for even heat distribution and retention. Compatible with gas, induction, electric, and glass ceramic cooktops. Removable Cool Touch silicone handles for safer handling. What does this mean for you in practical terms? It means better sears on your steak, crispier edges on your cornbread, perfectly cooked vegetables with rich, even browning. And because cast iron retains heat so well, your food stays warm longer, ideal for family-style serving. Another underrated benefit is durability. Cast iron cookware is known for longevity, and with proper care, this NutriChef skillet set could easily outlast many non-stick aluminum pans. It's stain-resistant, easy to clean, and built to handle serious cooking sessions. If you're someone who enjoys traditional cooking methods but wants modern convenience, this set strikes that balance beautifully. It works seamlessly on induction cooktops, something not all cast iron sets can claim, making it a future-proof investment for any kitchen setup. So, who is this ideal for? Home cooks looking to elevate their meals. Anyone tired of replacing worn-out non-stick pans? Families who want reliable cookware for everyday meals. And even beginners who want a dependable skillet set that's ready to use right away. When you combine performance, versatility, durability, and thoughtful design, the NutriChef 3pc Cast Iron Skillets offer serious value for the price. If you've been considering upgrading your cookware, this might be the set that transforms your cooking experience. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and availability. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest product reviews and kitchen gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.